Okay, happy 10 days of oils, the 10th day. Today we're going to talk about PanAway. Okay, so you might get some clues from the name as to how it could be helpful in your life. It is a powerhouse muscle oil, really supports the muscles and the connective tissue. I love to use this after a workout, or I even will put some on before I do some hot yoga. It does have the properties of like wintergreen and peppermint, so it can be cooling and warming. If you're familiar with something traditional like icy hot or something, this is a good natural healing, supportive type of substitute for that. I love this oil. I always want to have this oil on hand. It's so powerful for so many things as I try to turn the label. It has a really special oil in it called helichrysum, which is definitely worth a Google search to look into that one. And it does some things. It supports the circulatory system and detoxification, the liver, the lymph system. So I would look that one up. That's a really special oil that is in this blend. Otherwise, we've got things like clove and peppermint and wintergreen. It's a wonderful one. It definitely is one that can be used up super quick. So you can dilute it a little bit because it has so many uses, it can be used up quick. You can dilute it a little bit with some coconut oil or a carrier oil, which will help stretch it and make it go a little bit longer, but it's one I never want to be without. So try that PanAway, go out and enjoy it, do some nice spring workouts, and you'll have a tool to support you. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.